Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And about a week ago, I helped somebody create this barbed wire strand. And then somebody else asked today how you could make it look a little more three-dimensional. Couple of things you could do is take each one of those lines and make it a thicker line on the outline of that. But in lieu of that, we're going to do a 3D. And if we look at this, this is really pretty easy. We're less than 3 inches across, so we're going to set our nudge factor to 3. Each color is separated, so I'm going to grab that. I'm going to nudge it over twice. I'm going to take the black and nudge it over once. Take the gray, nudge it over twice. Once, twice, once, twice. And the reason I'm doing that is so we can group them together. So now we've got them all separated. I'm going to take these and I'm going to left click no fill, and I'm going to right click in a light gray. And then I'm going to go to object and I'm going to go to group and I'm going to group them together. Then I'm going to take all the black. I'm going to left click no fill and right click black. And then I'm going to go to object, group, and group them together. That way they're all in a group. So we're going to take this one first. We want to go from a light to a dark. So we're going to go to effects and contour, and we're going to contour to a black at 0.001. It contoured 112 steps. So if we look at it close up, it looks fuzzy. Now if we take this one, and you always want to make sure it's thicker than a hairline. I probably need to back up and make sure the other one is thicker than a hairline, and then do the exact same thing we did, and we'll look at it. It might work with a hairline, but I think it works a little bit better. So now we're going to take the black outline and go to a light gray. You really don't want a white. And then just say okay. And it's already applied it because I hit it. And look at that. Now we can take and just really nudge one or the other over, and it's going to look like more so that those are going under and underneath the other one. Now, you always, or I find it's a lot better to take the whole thing and go to bitmap, convert to bitmap, and convert it to a grayscale bitmap. It just seems to help the 3D process a little bit better. It actually fuzzies it up for some reason, turn it into a bitmap, but it makes it look more 3D when you engrave it. And then I don't know about all engravers, but like an epilogue engraver under advanced mode, there's a 3D setting. Now I'm going to make a second video on how you could even improve the barbed wire. If you're not going to do it, you could just move these over that exact same amount. But we're going to make these 3D also in part 2. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.